And I'm at 2 years. Una in America can go through insecurity issue today, 400 years after. Of course. Akunuma. Every them were human beings. I can wait in the ocean. Una put the go kasi. Akuma ndi ocean na binima our community can be operation. Akwa some of you might need the ocean na community na operation. Una maha. Every community, I'm a Madam, where don't you go? India Affa, Unewa Smart Green School. Yes, not completed. The same ownership problem can happen there. Yes. With the level of equipment actually it's here. So because the youth now PG and Antiochia, Unuga about that place for the mothers.
Even the man again taking a quamono. Yeah, even no, come with him where land there this update Kitanaga on. Yeah, boom, okay, Governor Sandy, Kobia represent here na Ebahande Obebe, then I will be Jekahaja, Jetolon de Mad in Enugu State Mbosoka. Hatolom Mad and Atom, unfortunately, God so kind. To God be the glory of Fonya had released you for your daddy, Bolozia Mad and Abu Gawa. And from the update I know what Hana demanded for. Okay, 130 or 20 million or 50 million can you demand? Some now say 150, some now say 130, some now say 120. Depending on the man, the money is above 100 million. Now, you may know that this man is it. I don't know why the man but he be him una turn to politics. 3 years. 3 years is more than enough governor if fight insecurity in his state. 1 year is enough governor ibe tackle okunemena. Ibe abia mawa examples in America can suffer insecurity. That you eba akukum na land yo. Kedi insecurity America na suffer if you go ni get good news. After saying mother wakpolo service no bodo yibo. Nde mother wakpolo service no bodo yibo. Tolo mother ba imo here. And for 3 solid days, 4 days afubeho hanya and ndi tolonya need demand for money. They are making calls. They are making calls. No tracking, no location, nothing. Unafunu gebe government America, Donald Trump or anybody or some of the state governors of California, New York, Miami and other states, non-American Nijimaka road construction and make campaign. They think of something reasonable. They think Hamana Alucha and Kaochago or Donald Trump since some will campaign or for election. You know, go cause no Alola America uzo. Na we bridge, na walk, na menka. Those things has been made, and there's how to make individuals on with on your bona no label on a man American citizen neighbor. Una na hana no kata mmadụ open fire n'ụzọ gbegbe before my name about onye aha na o aka akpali ya. Una afecha our Nigerian brothers je ba community ihe dịka woli Facebook mondo otu achụta ụmụ under children ha na ga achọ na alụ aka n'ike ma before my name epic ya up. Una weli something welu ndụ mmadụ na-eme politics na asị na governor na finish here one day na finish here. Then what have you done? Kedi unu yejide aka today si na ihe Peter Mba may go for 3 good years on Enugu State. Obubata fairly use plane. Ko kai kwe makia. Fairly use plane. Kai kwe makia. Obulu in a sane society. That plane had run out of the wrong way. We just crash anymore here the other day. Makonoburo mother. In a sane society, that pilot and everybody involved need to be cautioned because that plane he developed that fault all of a sudden, break fault all of a sudden. The science we are there, just that Nahamele ignore. The science could have been there, just Nahamele ignore. There are some certain things who need to mother no go over there. Church with the problem. Your church is never our problem. This type of man and his cohort are the problem I want at this nation. Come there and sympathize. Obono one negi on one negi katolo. You say when a governor knew the 3 years or now, governor I'm mentioning in one day. You are ignorant of what you are saying, Mr. Man. And I don't know why people either say no, they want to corroboration. We don't know to upon all his opinion and tackle the issue anywhere on ground. Stop turning everything into politics. This is people's life, people's children. Mom hentigide before you release a photo the seminarian and onyeji. By immediately that in database read where before police and amago no the hand, name mother not on having family members somewhere, then do one if you don't man share road blocks in case a drone says sink then what have they done so far? Those people made contact with the family or relative of those people. Where are their locations? They are calling within this country, Nigeria. You have the facilities and the staff. As long as there will be state police, every Nigerian police and military people has the right eager to every location and pick any onyobonatolo and rescue those people. Those people can within that Enugu state, yeah. If you ever talk something to politics and you teach us a PIC mangogi or Piolo mangogi, Mr. Man, take time more. People should not do politics with people's life. Peter and Bass, long as I'm concerned, is a failure to the people of Enugu State. Okay, million one was no provided in couple of days. Get them million one everybody. Obodo to akete enwe bero and you people are not even aware until Abia. Or individual donate a transformer to that village. What then is the local government chairman doing? What then are the people appoint and assigned to make sure that the cry of the people get to the government? What then are they doing? Now go for see how come. Madam Mr. Man, I will question if you are not ready to do anything. You get out from that place. That is just it. Everybody needs to be responsible.
What the mayor is telling me now, because I scope so many roads. This road was one of them. Okay, so I put so the road from Nsuka to Eke Junction has been awarded. What about the governor? And he had to again. Remember that particular one's now award. Our breakdown of approved projects. I will extract that one, and I will make sure that for more delay, Father, share with you, share with Igwe. Who know now award to go that particular road? On our reasoning, evidence, meaning governance. Well, minimal trust between international and the Hanachi. Maki made goal in the past. So, any Nekueba, I want to Makopoma Queba, Oyozo Kuleba, Okuenda engage Akane, operation till where what more validation. So, two things can I validate today: transformer. All right, and the award of the road. The other one now, mention with you people behind them, man, I can lose all week to make sure that back to this church. And governor Enugu, no, security is very important. We will continue to work. According for the number of DRS I teach in Uzo. I now bambo. I can improve. Improve. After 3 years, the governor no go no job ratio. Or when he had each in Enugu State since governor Biano. Onada Zakwamo. The youth are no Weber. And when he had each since governor Biano.
We are proud of our government.
Yes. So we are proud. You are part of the government, and you're making in a 1 day, and you're making a 1 year, and you're making a 2 years. Unaman America can go through insecurity issue today, 400 years after.
Of course.
Akunuman. Above them were human beings. I can wait in Joshua. Unequity go is Ukasi. Akuman Joshua Binima, our community can be operation. Some of you might have been in the community now. Every community, I'm a man, where don't you go? India Affa, smart green school.
Yes.
The same ownership problem can happen there.
Yes.
With the level of equipment actually it's here. So because the youth now PG and Ethiopia, unu ga na-agbado that place anya for the mothers maka ụmụaka anyị ga-enwe education private school at no price cost to the parents free of charge with the feeding and hand once every single day. And then ụmụaka nọ na kindergarten agụmakwụkwọ kindergarten una ọtakara na Enugu State aga kpọzgo ọtakara mean na ha chọrọ ịmụta ihe nọọsụ akara ka ha na-ata kindergarten anyị ga-echezi ha bido school 3 years before her bar primary 1 free of charge at no cost to all of you. Governor na Mambo na Agwasike. Continue at your very quiet time to lift our governor, Dr. Peter Simba, before the Lord. Our leadership requires a lot of wisdom. Yes. When I'm 20 more communities who have priority. Yes. Only open well priority. Yes. The resources are limited. Not limited. So you have to now reprioritize the priority list. And it requires wisdom. It requires the grace of God. Because one thing I had the Enugu State government, because at the end of the day, the governor be able to make sure from all the way down to Kerefi to Ete to Uzowani. Now the life of people, the comfortable, at least the first level of comfort, the safety. Free of charge. That is what the governor wants. So, we will learn to do better. That will be a lie. But we are learning and we are doing our best. So, Governor Bikono, support and I trust in the and that one assurance since yesterday, Mayor Gawonge. He's still there. Our team no somewhere now, I know on their heels. We will bring our people back safely by the grace of God in one piece. So I shall come one office. I can't connect here now. I got permit to come to office. Popularity has won.
Okay, can say no. The first thing we go to line, you put a bang, so bang, in the bang, it has lifted the spirit of our people very, very high. To tell the governor, our people, yes, I go when I go to readers, even though you're not changing money, but governor through you has come to Affa, where Marni Hani we feel confident. Thank you. May God bless you. We've got opportunities in the bank. We don't chaplet. Every day offer chaplet. For the success of the governor name to bring back our brothers and for future protection. We don't alone. Oya wine on your loan. Chineke jikere na gosi anu ụmụ gị chekwebekwe ha ma ndị gọọmenti bịa na be anyị debe ha n'ọrụ ha onye nyere ọrụ nyekwe ike na amamihe ọ ga-eji na-arụ ya bụ ọrụ chekwekwe ndị Affa chekwebe Enugu steeti niile mee ka ebumnobi gọvanọ anyị o ji ezigbo obi wee na-eche ka ọ pụta ife ndị mmadụ eritekwe n'uru site na Kristi onye nwe anyị ka amara na ngọzi nke Chukwu nna na nwa na mmụọ nsọ dakwasị unu niile bịa nọnyere unu mgbe niile. Udo dịrị unu.